Let me ask you something. How many AI music artists do you have right now? One, maybe two, maybe five. Here is the problem. Managing one AI artist is easy. Managing five, that is chaos. Different names, different sounds, different release dates, different Spotify profiles. You log into DistroKid 20 times a week, you mess up a cover art assignment, you upload the wrong track to the wrong artist, your streams suffer, your income drops. I have been there. It is a nightmare. But here is what changed everything for me. DistroKid Teams. Let me explain. DistroKid Teams lets you manage multiple artist profiles under one account, one login, one dashboard. Every artist, every release, every royalty report. You do not need 5 DistroKid accounts. You do not need 5 email addresses. You do not need to log in and out like a maniac. One account, unlimited artists, total control. Here is how it works. First, you sign up for DistroKid. You need the Musician Plus plan or higher. The basic plan does not support teams. Once you are in, you go to the Teams dashboard, click Create Team, give it a name, something like My AI Music Empire. Now you add artist slots. DistroKid gives you unlimited artist slots on the Ultimate plan. On Musician Plus, you get 2 artists included. You can add more for a small fee. Each slot gets its own artist name, its own Spotify profile, its own Apple Music page. Completely separate, completely professional. This is the game changer. Why does this matter for AI music? Because you are not just one artist. You have a Lofi Beats channel. You have a meditation music project. You have a synthwave alias. Each of these needs its own identity, its own branding, its own Spotify artist profile. Without teams, these all jumble together. Your Lofi listeners see your heavy metal release, they unfollow. With teams, each AI artist lives in its own world. Clean separation, professional presentation. Your Spotify for Artists dashboard shows each artist independently. That is how you build real fan bases. Now let us talk royalties. This is where most AI producers get confused. When you release music for multiple AI artists, you want the money going to the right place. DistroKid Teams is not just about organization, it is about revenue management. Each team member or each artist can have different payout settings. You can split royalties between collaborators. You can set percentage splits per artist, per release, per track, if you work with other producers or vocalists. This is essential. 100% of your royalties come through DistroKid anyway. Teams just make sure the right money goes to the right place. Next, release management. Here is the workflow I use. Every Sunday, I open my DistroKid Teams dashboard. I see all 6 of my AI artists in one view. I check which artist needs a release this week. 2 clicks. I am uploading a new track to Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, YouTube Music, all of them. The metadata is already set for that artist. The cover art template is saved. The genre tags are locked in. A release that used to take me 30 minutes now takes 5. That is the power of scale. Now, the analytics. Inside DistroKid Teams, you get separate streaming reports for each artist. You see which AI project is growing, which one is flat, which one needs more content. You make data-driven decisions. Maybe your synthwave artist is blowing up in Germany. Cool, make more synthwave. Target German playlists. Maybe your lo-fi project has 0 traction. That is also useful information. Pivot or drop it. Without separate analytics per artist, you are flying blind. You cannot optimize what you cannot measure. Let me give you a real example. I run 4 AI music projects. One is chill beats, one is soundtrack music, one is EDM vocals, one is ambient sleep music. Before Teams, I was drowning. 4 different release schedules, 4 different cover art styles, 4 different social media strategies. I almost quit. It was too much. Then I centralized everything in DistroKid Teams. Now I manage all 4 in about 2 hours per week, from my phone. Sitting on my couch, my streams went up 40%. Why? Because I was releasing consistently, every artist, every week. No more missed uploads. Consistency is the algorithm's best friend. Let me give you the pricing breakdown. Musician Plus is about $40 per year. That gets you 2 artist slots, unlimited uploads, unlimited releases, and Teams access. The Ultimate plan is about $90 per year. That gives you unlimited artist slots, plus some extra features like daily streaming stats. For the price of 1 dinner out, you get a professional multi-artist music business. Compare that to paying for 5 separate DistroKid accounts. That would be $200 per year or more. Teams saves you money and time. Now, a few mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, putting all your AI music under one artist name. Do not do this. If you make trap beats and classical piano, they do not belong on the same Spotify profile. Split them into separate artists, use Teams to manage them. Mistake number 2, not setting up separate payout splits. If you ever collaborate, set the split before you release. Fixing it later is a headache. Mistake number 3, uploading without checking the artist assignment. DistroKid defaults to your primary artist. Double check before you hit submit. I have made this mistake. It is embarrassing. Here are my pro tips. Tip 1. Name your teams clearly. Use your actual project names, not Team 1 and Team 2. Tip 2. Create a release calendar. One document, all artists, all release dates. Review it in your team's dashboard every Sunday. Tip 3. Use the same cover art template across all your artists. Just change colors and text. This saves hours of design time. Tip 4. Set up DistroKid teams on your phone. The mobile dashboard is excellent. You can upload releases from anywhere.